Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Polok Ahmed Tushar. I'm from weekend 7 batch. Start hoise. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Polok Ahmed Tushar and I'm from weekend 7 batch. My ID is 2010401588 and today I have selected a topic, argumentative topic, and that is Bangladesh should improve relation with Pakistani politically and economically. So through my topic I want to raise the question of improving relation between Bangladesh and Pakistan and how it can improve both of our economies as well as tourism and many other factors. First of all, improving relations between Bangladesh and Pakistan can boost up or mushroom the trade and commerce of both the countries. In Pakistan, there is huge amount of demand for Bangladeshi jute, pharmaceutical products, leather, shoes, etc. On the other hand, in Bangladesh, there is huge demand or gigantic demands of Pakistani minerals such as uranium, lithium that are being extracted from Pakistan, and they are planning to sell them to different countries. If we can improve our relation with Pakistan in future, then we can have these minerals with the minimum price, and it will help us to boost our economy and lead our domestic affairs more conveniently. Furthermore, we know that there is a geopolitical tension going on in Southeast Asia between India and China, or I must say India, United States of America and China. So in geopolitics, the balance of power is much more crucial than any other thing. So in order to balance the power in South Asia, an alliance between Pakistan, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and China can balance the power of Southeast Asia. And another factor is that there are many crises going on in Southeast Asia. In Bangladesh, we are facing the Rohingya crisis. In Pakistan, they are facing the Afghan crisis or the Kashmir crisis. Integrated and cooperation between Bangladesh and Pakistan can solve this crisis within the shortest possible time. That is what I think. I think one of the pivotal factors or vital factors among improving relations among Bangladesh and Pakistan is tourism. If we look at the tourism sector in Pakistan, there is Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Kashmir. I think, in my opinion, they are far better in comparison to Indian Kashmir, because they have mountain snowfall, they have the skating rides there in Gilgit-Baltistan. In Bangladesh, there is a world-class tourist spot, that is Saint Martin. So Pakistanis can also come to Bangladesh, and lifting visa restrictions will help improve the tourism sector as well as the economies of both the countries. That is what I got from today. Thank you for listening to me. If anyone have any questions, then you can ask me. Thank you, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Imur Hassan, 6th batch, Department of English, IUH. Why Shakespeare is still relevant today, today's topic? Have you ever used saying to be or not to be? That is the question. If so, you have quoted Shakespeare. There are many more reasons why his work is still studied today. His works are timeless. Think about some of Shakespeare's most famous plays, such as Romeo and Juliet. It is a classic and tragic love story that we see time and time again. Or how about Macbeth, a good man consumed by ambition, ultimately leading to his downfall. A story of good conquering evil. Shakespeare's plays have formed a template for many books and movies produced today. His characters are timeless. Shakespeare was a master in creating characters in responsibility and traits. They never to go out of date with their various qualities of zealously ambition, power, kindness, nobility. The list goes on. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.